Good morning. It is Miss Cannon. Today is Friday, April 3rd. Happy Friday, everybody. I'm going over today's science worksheet. It is day 5 of week 3. This is what's the difference between a nail and a screw. Remember, this is just a review, so you will find all of your answers throughout the weekly work that you've done. All right. So I'm going to read through it, and then I'll leave you to it. Use the words in the box to complete the sentences. Screw, wedge, friction, threads. Number 1, a knife is an example of a blank. Number 2, the blank on a screw are an inclined plane. Number 3, you apply circular force to a blank. Number 4, nails and screws use the force of blank to hold things in place. Okay, so you're going to use these words to fill in the blanks. All right, the second part is true or false. I'm just going to read through them, and again, you'll find the information or the answers throughout your weekly work. Number 1, both nails and screws have a pole. Number 2, the same direction of force is applied to both a nail and a screw. 3, a hammer is used to apply force to a screw. 4, a wedge can change downward force to sideways force. All right, and then part C, it says write whether each object uses a screw or a wedge. Okay, so I want you to look at these different types of equipment and do they use a screw or a wedge when they are used? All right. Good luck, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. You can message me on Dojo or Remind 101. Thanks.